If you've went through bad you can help other people go through bad Let me tell you, and this is not for you to feel bad for me, but like beginning parts of my life, tough happened. Our house burnt down when I was in 3rd grade. A home that my mom and dad literally renovated top to bottom for us to be able to live in and then start a family and start a life together. My dad gripped by alcohol all of his life. My parents divorced. My dad cheated on my mom. I have a half sister that has cerebral palsy, that's handicapped, that has been wheelchair bound her whole life. Always feeling like, not having a male role model in life. All these things, stacked against me. And everyone else has a story. You have a story. Everybody has a story. And it doesn't matter until you overcome it. You can't share your story until you overcome it, because you have to go over that mountain. You have to climb that mountain to be able to show that there's something bigger in life that can help you go over those hurdles. So don't forget about sharing your story. Don't forget about who you are, where you've come from, but you've got to overcome the mountain first.